Hello! Good morning sa inyong lahat, no? And today, papakita ko po sa inyo ang ating natanggap na silver play button, no? Unang-una, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin. Unang-una sa ating mga subscribers, no, na hindi tayo iniwan, walang sawang sumuporta kahit simula pa lang po nang nagsisimula tayo hanggang ngayon po na lumalaki na tayo. And syempre kay Lord na hindi ako pinabayaan, na hindi tayo niligaw ng landas, hindi tayo pinabayaang sumuko. Kasi dati, 'di ba? We almost quit being a YouTuber. Kasi dati, 'di ba, naalala ko nagsisimula ako. Walang nanonood sa akin, no? For about 2 to 3 years, wala pong masyadong nanonood sa atin, and dati pinanghihinaan na ako ng loob kasi parang iniisip ko parang sinasayang ko lang yung oras ko doing this, no, creating vlogs. Pero yun nga, dahil sa suporta ni Lord at kayo at ng aking mga pamilya, mga kaibigan, no, sa mga taong sumuporta ever since we are small, and right now we are trying to have volume, no, meron na tayong volume. At syempre papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung natanggap nating award, no. It's silver play button, guys. Para sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, yung silver play button po, ito po ay matatanggap ninyo kapag kayo po ay nagkaroon na po ng 100,000 subscribers. So, if you don't have 100,000 subscribers, you're not going to have this. So, only 0.4% lang po ng mga YouTubers ang nagkakaroon po nito, no? Batay po sa datos. So, isa po tayo sa maswerteng binayayaan na ma-achieve po itong award nito, at ngayon ay bubuksan na po natin siya. No? So, hindi ko pa po siya binubuksan, no? Ngayon po lang siya talaga binubuksan para makita po ninyo. Ayan. Ayan po yung may cover pa pala, no? May sponge pa. At what is this? Yan, merong siyang letter. Sabi dito, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact us at YouTube Creator at societyawards.com. Ayan. Thank you so much sa gumawa po nitong plaque. And syempre, itong letter, no, coming from YouTube, coming from the CEO himself. So, nakalagay dito, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you definitely remember your 100th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you built. So thank you so much po sa ating community. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth, sana naman po, no? Sana naman po umabot tayo ng 1 million, no? Syempre, every YouTube aspirant or creator would love to reach the millionth subscriber, ano? So, yun. Thank you so much po, Sir Neil Mohan, the YouTube CEO. And eto na. So, ayan po yung silver play button. Ayan, makikita nyo po siya. Ayan. So, tingnan na natin. No? Meron pa siyang plastic. Ayan. So, eto na siya. No? Thank you so much, guys. Eto na tayo. Ito yung 6 na taon ko po itong hiniling kay Lord. Araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos. Araw-araw, alam niyo yan. We live and breathe YouTube every day, almost every day. We are answering comments, we are supporting other people, helping other people, creating tutorials, supporting you, and also me as well, na nandyan kayo, nanonood kayo at walang sawang sumuporta. And this award will not going to happen kung hindi kayo nandyan sa likod ko, no? If you're not there watching me achieving this great award. And thank you so much, no, sa lahat, lahat. Medyo emotional ako kasi syempre, no, ganun pala, no, pag na-reach mo na, yung parang mawawala na yung bigat sa dibdib mo, no, mawawala na yung dati mong, kasi syempre nung gusto mo pa lang siyang ma-reach, parang parang ang bigat-bigat parang you're on a uphill battle, pero pag na-reach mo na pala yung inaasam-asam mo, sobrang gumagaan na yung feeling, sobrang at ease ka na, no, paggawa ng content, parang more more relax ka na kasi nga medyo na-achieve mo na yung one of the best award can a YouTuber have, the silver play button, kasi this is a testament, no. The silver play button is not just a flick for YouTubers. Siguro para sa ibang tao it's just like ano ba naman yan, siguro kaya ko naman magpagawa niyan sa recto, no. Pero this is a testament for every creators, no, na dahil sa likod nito ay ang isang community po sa loob ng YouTube na nagsuportahan, nagtulungan, no, nagdamayan para ma-build ang isang YouTube channel. And for that, I cannot thank you more enough, and I'm very, very grateful sa mga virtual assistants, sa mga freelancers na natulungan na po natin, na nag-take part to be part of this community, na nagpa-interview sa akin, no, nag-show up sa camera kahit syempre minsan nakakahiya, sa mga founders ng mga courses, sa mga mentors na nagpa-interview din para bigyan ng advice at support, at sa mga aspiring YouTubers or aspiring virtual assistants who wants to have a career, wag pong kayong susuko. There's always the light after the tunnel. There's always light after the tunnel, no? Nandun, kung nahihirapan man kayo magkaroon ng client, nahihirapan man kayong magkaroon ng work, gumagawa tayo sa lahat ng ating makakaya, no, sa buo ng ating makakaya ng opportunities here. We're vlogging opportunities, we're partnering with online jobs platforms, we're partnering with CEOs na sa tingin nating makakatulong po sa inyo. So walang gi-give up, wala pong gi-give up. Yon, no, sa likod ng aking mga pamilya, kami po nagpapasalamat po sa inyo, and sana patuloy nyo kaming suportahan sa ating journey na ito sa ating YouTube channel, and we hope we reach 1 million, no. That is one of my dream. We hope malayo na yung narating natin, pero malayo pa ang pupuntahan natin. So thank you so much po. Have a nice day, God bless, and see you in my next video. Thank you so much.